Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Excel and creating a new workbook. This gets you into a grid instantly. Set a clear file name and save location, and turn on auto-save or set save intervals so work isn't lost. Once done, choose your view, normal for editing, page layout for print preview, because view affects layout and speed. Make sure to set the calculation mode to automatic for most tasks, or manual when working huge models to keep Excel responsive. You now structure the sheet. Add clear headers in row 1 and freeze panes so labels stay visible as you scroll. Format each column for its data type, text, number, date, percentage, or currency, because correct formats prevent calculation errors. Once formatted, create a table with Ctrl+T. This gives you filters, structured references, and auto-expanding ranges when you add rows. Also, use basic formulas like SUM and average, and copy them down using the fill handle to propagate logic. You finish by validating and protecting your work. Add data validation to limit inputs and apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers. Once done, audit formulas with Evaluate Formula to find broken references or logic errors. Watch for #ref and hash value, and resolve circular references by reworking formulas. Finally, protect the sheet or workbook as needed and save a final copy. Keep one backup. If Excel slows, make sure calculation is set appropriately, and remove heavy volatile formulas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.